What's going on, guys? So we got the old Dodge here. We just put all the rockers in. A little dusty right there. Everything turned out pretty good. This is the bedside panels that we had to replace. It's just dust. Turned out good. This is the other side. Cab corner. There's that rocker there. Yeah, we got some more dust on there. She is done. Paint color was a pretty good match. Now we can finally get rid of this thing. It has been a long journey on that, and I advise that if you're going to do this, it's going to take you some time. And if you don't know what you're doing, it's going to take you a long time. But I appreciate you guys watching. The next one will be I think a 12 Silverado. We'll do slip-on rockers. They're not going to be OEs, they're slip-ons. A lot easier, way faster, a lot cheaper. It's not as quite as rough a truck, but we'll get into that one. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe. See you later.